In this video, I will be comparing the performance of the 18:1 gear set here and the SHS 100-300 gear set. I will be comparing the FPS and rate of fire, and also their sound, because the SHS are supposed to be low noise, so we'll also cover that. So as you can tell from the results, that the gear set doesn't really change the FPS, from what I can tell. Although with these two gear sets, it does change the rate of fire quite substantially, I would say. Although I wasn't able to get the exact number, I would say it probably drops 5 to 8 BBs per second. Which all depends on your application, because they, in my opinion, they are a little bit quieter. So if you're going for a DMR build, they're perfect. Especially if you're going for like ultra quiet, these will get you part of the way there. I haven't had any issues, obviously, since they're SHS. They're pretty solid gears.